Looking for the gift that lasts forever? We travel the world and work with the best manufacturers and miners of fine gemstones to bring these amazing creations of nature to you. We bring you high-quality genuine gemstone and a combination of high-quality genuine gemstones and gemstone jewelry. At AfricaGems.com, we offer you a 100% guarantee, A+ Better Business Bureau rating, 27 years in business, free shipping, 1% of your sale is donated to charity, and full gemstone treatment disclosure. Buy the timeless gift that lasts forever from AfricaGems, the trusted gemstone experts since 1984.